Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe.
If you're someone that goes away for the winter time, are there any things you should do to store your bike properly for an extended period of time?
Yes, so it really matters where you're able to keep the bike. So if you've got a garage, it doesn't necessarily need to be heated, but just out of the elements, not a shed, then you can keep the bike there. And if you can, top it up fully before you leave, and then turn off the breaker, which this is here. So this is what your breaker looks like. You want to turn that off, and that way you've got less draw from the battery because it has an alarm system that's constantly working. If you can, during the winter season, once a month, once every 6 weeks, throw it on charge, and that's whether it's lithium or lead acid. But if you don't have a great spot to keep your bike, like if you have to keep it outside under a tarp, you need to be careful of what bike you buy, because you got to be able to buy a bike that has a removable battery, and very few of them do. This is an Emo Hornet XI, and the beautiful thing about these is that the batteries come out. So this is a great bike for people that don't have that storage. Let's say if you get the Emo Zone, no, that bike is not easily, can't take the batteries out. You can if it's lithium, it's one pack. If it's lead acid, no, and that's something that I do here, and we do is we ask those questions. Where are you storing your bike? What do you do in the winter? And that'll help direct us to the right bike for that person.